And so what Diode does is we take a zero trust network and we use blockchain to remove the possibility of man-in-the-middle attacks and remove possibility for the vendor itself to sometimes even have access, and for sure to modify any of the access control lists. Because we put these things in blockchain, we then enable the people who are actually responsible for the network, whether it's the customer or the vendor, et cetera, to actually fully control that network definition. And so we call it permissionless secure communications. And there's other aspects of this as well. But in the blockchain space, in the blockchain world, we have this saying that is not your keys, not your coins, right? And this is, if you think about using blockchain or maybe like cryptocurrency, you have to have a wallet that proves that you have access or that those coins are your coins, right? And that wallet can be either a wallet hosted by some website, which is very convenient. You just log into the website and hey, there's your coins. But the problem is if you've given a website access to your keys, really, if that website gets hacked, and this is where most of the hacks in blockchain come in, is hacks against these centralized websites that have keys to everybody's coins, all of a sudden those coins can disappear. And so they have not your keys, not your coins. We've taken this idea of a SaaS system, a software as a service system, something that lives as a software service, but then made sure that the mathematical proofs and the custody of the keys that define whose data is whose and who controls those access control lists are self-custody, that the companies who are responsible for the network actually hold all of the capabilities to change those things. And so the Diode network is a provably secure tunneling network thanks to full blockchain automation and blockchain anchored network definitions. And so we believe that this is really the future of secure communications for zero trust connectivity.
So I asked Hans, okay, so let's bring it down to something I can relate to. And I actually sent him an image that I use in PowerPoint presentations. I've used it publicly numerous times, but the simplified high level view of our architecture for Clean Connect and Proof Zero.